And DD India's Gaurav also spoke exclusively to gold medalist Vantika Agrawal, where she spoke on her journey as a young child and also being a part of winning team at the Chess Olympiad. Let's take a listen.
Has created history in 45th Chess Olympiad by winning gold medal in both men and women section. Right now we have with us Vantika Agrawal, the woman player who won gold in both team and individual event. Vantika, lots of congratulations for your this victory, and we just want to know that what is the main reason behind this success?
We all worked very hard and we were focused, determined, and of course we were able to handle the pressure that we were faced with. We were the top seeds, so of course, everyone was expecting that we should win the gold. But I'm happy that we were able to live up to the expectations of the fans and everyone who was praying and wishing for us.
Which competitor do you think that was the most challenging for your team and for your individual one?
I think Georgia was the most challenging opponent. They have won the Olympiad 4 times already and they were the second seed as well. I was playing on board 4 against Bella, and it was a Nimzo opening and very complicated game, and eventually I outplayed her and won that game.
Tell us what was the atmosphere when it was almost done that now we have grabbed the gold. What was the atmosphere at that time?
All the games were very crucial. We played all the top teams, so it was never really clear that we have grabbed the gold. I think after we won the match against Georgia, everyone was pretty relaxed and we thought gold is in our hands, but it wasn't that easy, I believe. When we were sure when, so 2.5 we had already scored against Azerbaijan and I was playing. I was also winning, but I think that time we were sure that no, okay, gold is in our hands.
What was the chemistry between you people?
Yeah, the chemistry between us was very good. And we were enjoying, we had some training camps before this, and we know all of us know each other from so many years. So we used to have dinner sometimes together. We used to have these team meetings which were very crucial. There was our captain Abhijit Kunte who used to, and there were 2 seconds also who were helping in opening preparations and all.
Vantika, we also want to know that what is the main reason that now we are growing so much faster in a chess arena?
The first thing, there are a lot of youngsters who are coming up, and there are a lot of opportunities in terms of playing abroad. Lot of tournaments happening. You can take coaching, training from anyone in the world. There are so many grandmasters available. Plus the development of engines, cloud engines, AI, computer and all, and so much of readily material being available on the internet. So I think that's what helps us to grow and even grow so fast.
What is your next target?
My next target is to become Grandmaster as soon as I can become and cross 2500 rating.
Last question, is this medal vanished all bad memories to you people?
Yes, for sure. I think before this event I was playing well, but some things were not working out for me and I was having some bad thoughts and all. But after winning this medal, all the thoughts have gone, all the bad memories have finished, and only what I remember is that the hard work that I've done has paid off.
Thanks talking to us. So this is Vantika Agrawal, who's saying that nowadays they are training in a very good atmosphere. Lots of exposure they are getting in international level, and that is the reason that we are growing as a superpower in chess. With cameraman Alok, this is Gaurav Kumar reporting from Noida, DD India.